Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheesecake without fresh cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need cream cheese, eggs, sugar, and a suitable cream substitute like evaporated milk or sweetened condensed milk. These alternatives provide the necessary richness and texture without requiring fresh cream. Ensure all ingredients are at room temperature for a smooth, lump-free batter. This initial step is crucial for achieving that classic creamy cheesecake consistency. Now, let's prepare the crust and filling. For the crust, combine about 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan. Next, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's completely smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of sugar and 2 large eggs, mixing well after each addition. Finally, slowly incorporate your cream substitute, ensuring the batter remains light and airy. Baking your cheesecake correctly is key to its texture. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan. Pour hot water into the roasting pan, creating a water bath that comes about 1 inch up the sides of the cheesecake pan. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes. The center should still have a slight jiggle. Once baked, turn off the oven, crack the door, and let it cool slowly for 1 hour before removing and chilling for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, it's time for the finishing touches. You can top it with fresh berries, a homemade fruit compote, or a drizzle of chocolate sauce. A simple dusting of powdered sugar also adds an elegant touch. Slice with a warm, sharp knife for clean cuts and serve. This method proves you don't need fresh cream for a delicious, creamy cheesecake. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.